So we are going to do eggs today. I want to show you the easiest way on how to do the marinated eggs the way I make it at the shop. We are going to cook, these are just large eggs. You're going to get your liquor together and then some hot water. But the liquor, I want to explain to you, you're going to take a little bit of stock. So for this purpose, it's just chicken stock. It's like half stock, half water. So you do 1-to-1 ratio. And then as much of the soy sauce and other things that you want to do. I only do about 3 ounces of soy sauce, which is 2 ladles of this per stock to marinate in. Okay, that's very important. I don't do the whole just into the soy sauce because I think it's too salty. And then from here, we're gonna make sure that the eggs are not on its point. So I'll show you. So you see how an egg has this point up here, and this is the bottom. You want the bottom half going up. Without having to beat a dead horse, Kenji Lopez has a full-on scientific breakdown of this. It doesn't matter what you do with your eggs, whether you're trying to do the whole baking soda when you're boiling it, or doing this motion where I'm pricking the bottom of the egg like so. The only thing that truly matters is the quality and the freshness of when you got the egg. So these eggs are about a few weeks old. I know some of them are not going to come out correct. Let's talk about timers. Here at the shop, I do 7 to 7.5 minutes on the egg, so it's just a little over soft boiled. I want it to be a little bit more medium than anything, but typically it's like around 6 minutes. And in here, the next step we're going to do is put it into a colander or whatever vessel you want to do too, and then we're gonna let it boil for 7 minutes. Okay, it's boiling now. Down it goes. We're gonna click the timer. We'll see you in 7 minutes. Okay, we removed it now. It's been 7 minutes. I'm gonna give you the greatest tip that I know. And here's the difficult part. You need to crack the eggs into the cold stuff. So look, we're gonna pre-crack it just like that. That way the water has a chance to go inside of the egg, if that makes any sense. To finish cracking it, we're gonna let it rest for about 15-20 minutes. Okay, so it has now fully rested, and we are going to peel them now. And the easiest way for me to do this is I have like a silicone little spoon thing. Just goes into the liquor. Okay, let's see what's I think I'm gonna put you up here so you guys can see it. Sorta, right? Like so. So we're gonna take the egg, and since we pre-cracked the bottom, it should release quite easy. Oh, there you go, 1 egg. Sometimes though, it doesn't want to release as good. So this is where this little hooky thing kind of happened. I'll show you. Just kind of go all the way around, and helps peel the egg a little better too. So that's it. But the main thing I want to say though, people don't understand is you can technically eat the egg today, right? It is fine and cooked, but it takes 2 days to get that color. So that's why these eggs are so expensive. It takes a minimum of 2 days to get the full marination inside the egg. That's it. That's how we make our eggs here. Bruh, I can't win, dude. However, this is gonna go to a homie, so if I remember your name and your order, just know you're gonna get an extra one of those. Hold on, I lied to you. This is even worse. Look at this shit. I'm eating this one though. Jeez, that's $3, man.